What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We are getting ready for the second break of the night. This is our $40 mixer, 6 boxes. We're going to go ahead and do our teams now. We're live again for random teams. 4 times on the random. We'll do it. I got a video playing in the background here. Let me get rid of it. And 10:57 on the clock. We got Corey to Kevin and Anaheim to Winnipeg, folks. Good luck, good luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp the third. I know we got some 17-18 stuff in this, so Minnesota and Vegas are doubled up. 10:58. 10:58, last and final, we'll do it. Fourth and final timestamp there is at 10:58, and 10:58 it is. So Winnipeg to Arizona. Winnipeg to Arizona. And then we got New Jersey to Nashville. Here's your teams for 6-box mix, and then we're going to figure the names out. 10:58. Here's your names. Corey to Kevin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. There's a timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 10:58. 10:58. We're going for our last and final random on the teams, on the names. Fourth and final timestamp is at 10:59 this time, and 10:59 it is. Andrew Daly finished on top of the list. Joshua halfway mark. Then we got Besser to Lucas. All right, guys, here's your teams for the break tonight. We won't read them out to you, but we will post them soon. We'll see you soon. Good luck.